Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In the previous class, I have introduced you about textbooks, about notebook, and have given syllabus also. So, from today, I'll teach and I'll give notes also. So, today we'll start writing in the classwork. So, before we start the writing of our lesson, notes of our lesson, we write. What we have to write? We have to write. What is the base of the lesson? Base of the English? What is the basic of English? Alphabet. So, today we'll write alphabet in our classwork. Okay. Take your classworks, all of you, my dear children. Take your classworks. Yeah. Open it. Have you all covered your classworks? Labeled. And you have to write all the particulars also. So, this is your classwork. Leave the first page to write your particulars. And then turn the page. On the first page, here. On the first page, we are going to write alphabet. That is, how many forms are there in English alphabet? 2 forms, capital and small. 2 types of letters are there, capital letters and small letters, isn't it? So, here on the first page on our classwork, we are going to write alphabet, that is capital and small letters. Okay, I have drawn 4 lines on the blackboard also. So, I will write on the board and you have to note down in your classwork with a neat handwriting. Okay, look at the board properly and then write. And before I start writing, every capital letter should write in 3 lines. Capital letters are in 3 lines and small letters in 2 lines. Okay. Look at the board and start writing. You write the heading alphabet. You have to write the heading first. Alphabet. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet. And then capital and small letters. Capital and small letters. Now look at me, look at the board and start writing. What is the first letter? Tell me, what is the first letter? A. Capital A. Small a. Capital A. Small a. Next. Second letter. Capital B. Small b. Capital B. Small b. Capital C. Small c. Capital C and small c. Capital D. Capital D. Small d. Okay, capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. capital G, small g, capital G and small g, capital H, small h, capital H and small h. Next letter I, capital I, small I, capital I and small I. Next letter capital J, capital J, small j. Look at the board properly and write without mistakes. Capital letters should be in 3 lines and small letters in 2 lines. Okay. Capital I, small I, J, small j. Next. Next letter please. Capital K, capital K. Next. Small k, capital K, small k. Capital L, small l, capital L, small l. Next letter capital M, small m, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital N, small n, capital O, small o. Next, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. You have to write, look at the board properly and write. Small u. Next, capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z and small z. C, capital A, small a, B, small b, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. See, these are the capital and small letters. These are capital and small letters. Now what's your homework? Your homework is read and write. Practice these hard words. Practice these alphabet for one time. Practice alphabet, capital and small. Okay, this is your homework. So my dear children, that's all for today. You have to write all these in your classwork with a neat handwriting. Okay, those who write neat, they can get good grades. So that's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.